The DJI Osmo 360 Mark II introduces a refined set of hardware and software enhancements over its predecessor, focusing heavily on raw data capacity, low-light performance, frame rate milestones, and physical durability. Native 8K per 60 frames per second, 360 degrees video, a significant jump from the original's 8K per 50 frames per second ceiling, allowing smoother high-resolution immersive capture. Higher video bitrate. Max video bitrate is increased from 170 megabits per second to 220 megabits per second, roughly a 29% boost, providing more data crunching power for complex scenes packed with intricate details or rapid motion. 16K 360 degrees time-lapse. A dedicated mode that captures ultra-high-resolution panoramic frames over time, exportable via DJI Studio with maximum bit rates reaching up to 600 megabits per second. Note, normal 360 video still caps at 8K. Slow motion overhaul. Panorama mode introduces 4K at 240 frames per second slow motion capabilities, a massive upgrade from 4K per 100 frames per second on the original Mark I. Single lens and mode adjustments. Single lens mode is listed at 4K per 60 frames per second, compared to 5K per 60 frames per second on the first generation. AI Super Night 2.0. Enhanced processing coupled with an f/1.9 aperture delivers cleaner, sharper low-light 360 video recording. Raw photo support. Added support for raw image output gives creators much deeper latitude in post-processing. 120MP stills with HDR. Retains the maximum 120 megapixel panoramic resolution while adding 120MP HDR 360 degrees photography. Dynamic range boost. Up to 14.5 stops of maximum measured dynamic range under DJI lab testing conditions, compared to 13.5 stops on the original model, though D-Log-M stays baseline rated at 13.5 stops. Windproof microphone design. Out of the 4 built-in microphones, one now features an integrated windproof design to better cut down ambient noise. Panorama Spotlight Follow, a brand new subject following feature built exclusively for 360 footage. It tracks and keeps your subject centered automatically when reframing 360 captures into traditional flat video formats. Replaceable lenses. Unlike the original model, the Mark II features user-replaceable, scratch-resistant lenses treated with an upgraded ion sputtering coating capable of enduring heavy field usage. Larger battery. Capacity has expanded from 1,950 mAh to 2,150 mAh, roughly a 10% increase. Though official continuous runtime is safely rated at up to 100 minutes for 8K per 30 frames per second recording under controlled settings. Mounting and connectivity. Adds NFC Quick Connect for instant tapping and pairing with the DJI Mimo app. Introduces the Osmo Dual Direction Quick Release System for faster accessory swapping. Preserves the unique square 1/1.1 inch class sensor layout, maximizing sensor utilization. f/1.9 lenses, 10-bit color, D-Log-M support, Wi-Fi 6, and 105 gigabytes of usable internal storage. Initial launch. Debuted first in China and Hong Kong. Price. Starts at 3,299 Chinese yuan in China, roughly translating to $490, with various multi-accessory bundles like adventure or riding kits scaling upward. Broader international market rollout dates remain subject to regional confirmations.